In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Miro boards, a fantastic tool for online collaborative workspaces. Whether you're working on a project with a team or organizing your thoughts alone, Miro boards provide you with the flexibility and ease of use that you need. To start off, open up your web browser and navigate to Miro.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the option to log in, which can usually be found in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button. When the login page opens up, you'll see that you have a couple of options to sign in. You can use your email address, or for added convenience, you can log in with your Google account. If you opt to sign in using your email, you'll need to click on the button that says Continue with Email. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password associated with Miro. Once that's done, click on the Login button to gain access to your Miro dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to your dashboard. Here you'll find a section called Boards in this team, which is essentially the home for all your projects and collaborative boards. This section will display the boards that you and your team have been working on. If you're having trouble finding a specific board, there's no need to worry. Miro offers helpful filtering options, allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for. You can start by filtering the boards by their name if you remember what it's called. However, if you're looking for something based on who initiated the board, you can filter by the board owner as well. This is particularly helpful when you're part of multiple teams or projects and need to track who is leading which board. Furthermore, if time is of the essence, you might want to filter or sort the boards by criteria such as last opened, last modified alphabetically, or even last created. This feature is especially practical when you need to quickly access the most recent work without having to dig around. Once you've applied your filters and found the board you're interested in, go ahead and click on it to open it up. At this point, you can start collaborating or reviewing the work that you or your team members have done. Remember to periodically save your work and check for any updates to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow. By following these steps, you should now be able to navigate Miro boards with ease. Whether you're managing a large team or working solo, Miro is a functional and effective platform to keep your projects organized and accessible. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next video.